In this video drawing tutorial, I will show you how to draw a truck from cube shapes.
On the highway, never stop, bringing laughter, bringing fun to kids under the shining sun. Carrying toys and teddy bears to bring joy to children everywhere. Boxes stacked up high and low, through rain or shine, continues to go. Rolling truck, on the highway, never stop, bringing laughter, bringing fun to kids under the shining sun.
This is a cube shape.
And chores galore, but a little fun time who could ignore? So he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but wild when he plays, and life's a joy. Fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays, and life's a joy. Jack's got homework and chores galore, but a little fun time who could ignore? So he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but wild when he plays, and life's a joy. Fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays, and life's a joy.
This is a nice truck.
Jack's got homework and chores galore, but a little fun time who could ignore? So he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a
Now, it needs to be colored.
he plays, and life's a joy. Fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays, and life's a joy. Jack's got homework and chores galore, but a little fun time who could ignore? So he takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but wild when he plays, and life's a joy. Fun. All work, no play makes Jack a dull boy, but now he plays, and life's a joy.
Carrying toys and teddy bears to bring joy to children everywhere. With boxes stacked up high and low, through rain or shine, it continues to go. Rolling truck, on the highway, never stuck, bringing laughter, bringing fun to kids under the shining sun. Whoa, whoa,
Little girl is planting flower in the garden. Sun is shining brightly, watching shadows grow. We're laughing and we're singing, having so much fun. Every day's adventure under the warm bright sun. Hey, hey, hey.
have known how to draw and color a truck from shapes. Congratulations!
Kicking autumn leaves, colors all around. Listen to the beat of music that we found. We'll make up silly rhymes and sing in harmony. Hey, 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 let's go for planting.
He takes a break to jump and run. Playing with friends is so much fun. Homework, no play.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.